Back on the 36 Ford that we have had on some other episodes, and we are talking about wiring, and that's something that I get a lot of questions on. So here's a couple things that we did a little bit different on this car to make it work better. Number one, here's the headlight switch on this car right here. Chances of it wanting to stand up to 12 volts and work properly over a long period of time are slim. So we made a switch box down here for a pull type headlight switch that'll be more reliable. And as you can see in the pictures that we put on this video, this is painted the same color as the dash, so it really all looks like it's part of what would have been there if you didn't know what a 36 Ford was supposed to look like. Secondly, over on the other side, we put in an ignition key that you can actually turn and start the car with, whereas opposed on this one, it has a little lever switch, what we call a toggle switch, and a button, and both of those probably wouldn't stand up to what we're going to try to do to make this work properly. So these are additions. We hope that we did this in a way that it's not something that somebody walks up and says, "Oh, that's ugly," but "Oh, that I didn't even know that was there." That's the kind of response we want to get for this. And it'll make this work a whole lot better. In addition to that, we're working on additional wiring now to get all this hooked up so when we turn the key, this thing's going to start. I'm Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website. We got lots of videos for you to help you learn more about how to fix your own car.